Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Interacty, which is a marketing platform that you can use to create gamified marketing content to improve lead captures, overall sales and engagement. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping over to the Interacty website, let's find out what this is all about. So interactive content and gamification platform, how can that really benefit us? Well, as you know, as someone who uses the internet, you're regularly being bombarded by all sorts of marketing materials, getting you to try and come over and read this blog, getting you to come over and try and buy this item, and it can get really boring. So we often just overlook these types of things, but how do you get someone come and pay attention to your content? Well, you can create a slightly different way and a bit more of an engaging and interesting way that helps not only get more traffic towards you, but also build rapport with that traffic. So you can do this through creating quizzes, slideshows, games reinvented for marketers, publishers, and educators. And here's some examples just around the sides of what some of these things might look like. Here with some sort of like questions that could really sort of rouse people's curiosities, etc. Various sort of different features like memory games and lots of other kind of like things that our brain really can't help itself but want to go and get involved in. So you can see down below, you can unlock the power of interactivity through engagement, increasing conversions, as well as educating people. That might not just be about various random things, but also could be geared towards the content you are creating. Interactive content generates more than 4 times more page views than static content alone. As well as that, interactive content generates 2 times more conversions than just normal passive content. So it's already clear just why we perhaps should be looking into this type of content. Whether we're running stores selling physical products, whether we're selling courses, it doesn't really matter. This is all basically playing on human psychology and something that could be very valuable to you. You can choose the solution that you need on a single easy to use platform. Here you can see down below it shows all these sort of different templates that you can use, and as well down below there'll be more different ones available. By clicking on one of them, for example, now you can see that I can click on them and I can see different templates and create some for free, but if I want the full use of the platform, then I need to come across and purchase the full package. And we'll take a look at pricing and stuff in a minute. And as well as that, I'm going to show you a way that you can get this fantastic program for a fraction of the price that's available on its website. So if that sounds good, make sure you stick around till the end of this video. What's really cool about these guys is once you get access, you can use the templates and you can match them to your own brand style, which is fully flexible. And there's also adaptive design. All Interacty products look equally good on desktop and mobile devices, which is always key because you should always be considering that people are going to be using mobiles as well as desktop computers. Lead generation forms, which is an important tool to improve project efficiency. Share and embed anywhere, whether that be on landing pages on your website or various other kind of areas that you might be looking to put it. Integrations and built-in analytics, customize the workflow according to your needs, seamlessly connect the project to your CRM. Always very useful to be in, always very important to be getting into analytics, particularly when you're using something like this, because you can do various data tests to see which are performing the best and then narrow down to choosing the very best one for your website after you've done a lot of split testing. Now, what else is really nice, guys, is it creates a personality profile as well for your customers. So you can use this data to kind of feed in and see how different people interact with your website, which is also going to help you with your marketing game later on in the line, because then you can target more specifically particular types of people. And the more we target or get laser targeted with our marketing, ultimately the more profitable we are going to be, no matter what the digital business we are running. So guys, if you're looking to increase audience engagement, get more leads and conversions, collect more data, and ultimately create more brand loyalty, no matter what it is you are selling, then you're probably going to be interested in Interacty. So jumping over to the pricing over here on Interacty, guys, you can see that the starter starts at $4 per month, which is billed annually, which would obviously take it to $48. But that only gives you up to 1,000 project views per month and 100 leads per month, which is really not that many, and only access to 3 premium templates. If you want the basic version, which is pretty much the minimum you're going to need, it's going to cost you $14 per month, which is going to be $168 per year. But that does give you up to 5,000 project views, 1,000 leads per month, and 10 premium templates per month, which is obviously much, much more. And there's obviously bigger versions here like the business plan. But jumping across to Interacty over on AppSumo, guys, which is linked down below in the description. Now this is a bit of a hidden gem, but using this, we can see that we can buy different license plans and we can do it in a one-off purchase. We can see license tier 1, which is a lifetime plan, guys, is just $69, which is a fraction of the price available over on the Interacty website. As well as that, there's loads more explanation about the product available here, as well as a few different videos you can watch that are going to explain to you how to kind of use the different platform. It's going to show you loads more features available here as well that you can't necessarily find on the website. So make sure you go and check this out, guys. Link down in the description below, as I've just mentioned. So in summary, guys, Interacty is an amazing platform that you can use to create gamified, engaging content for your potential customers, improving the amount of leads that you're going to capture as well as sales that you're going to make. Everything I've talked about today is available down on the link below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video, especially if you want to pick up that amazing deal available through AppSumo. Make sure you smash the thumbs up button if you've enjoyed today's video, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the best ways to make money online. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye-bye.